been a busy and an exciting week to 10 days for me, guys. We've got the construction loan done, we got the building permit done, and we have groundbreaking and what appears to be the excavation done so we can start to build my house up here on this pad. Some of the difficulties we ran into stem from this lovely soil I have out here. It's this gray, expanding clay, bentonite. Anyway, because of this stuff, we had to engineer it where we over dug out 6 feet of excavation and then brought in this structural fill in order to be able to meet the county and engineering requirements to place the house up here. So even though the house is going to be underground, it'll be built up here on grade, and we will come back and backfill around all 3 sides of the house, which will make it basically underground on 3 sides with big giant grand windows facing south. A lot of you might ask, why would I face the house south when I have this gorgeous mountain view to the west? It all comes down to solar efficiency. By facing the house south, I can heat my home in the winter with the sun when it's low in the sky and it's coming through the windows. And in the summer, because of the angle of the sun being high and the angle of my awning, none of the sun comes in the house, and so it's easier to cool the house. And with the house being underground on 3 sides, it's energy efficient for heating and energy efficient for cooling. So think of an earth ship without all the recycled tires and things like that. Just building an off-grid house has been a challenge here in the county. We seem to run into all kinds of headaches and all these things that they want engineered. So I can't imagine trying to get an actual earth ship by the county. So as suspected, trying to build an energy efficient home and government and regulations are my biggest hurdle. So anyway, check it out. We got a nice leveled pad down here for what I assume is going to be the deck, the patio, and then we've got a pad up here for the house. The house is 1,850 square feet, and it should be pretty grand sitting up here on the hill when it's all done. Anyway, thanks a lot. Like, subscribe, go on the journey. I've set up a time-lapse camera. I'm going to time-lapse the entire build, and obviously I'll shoot videos as we get through stages of the build, and we'll see how this comes out. It's kind of a scary time with inflation and supply and interest rates. I'd be lying if I said a lot of that isn't causing me stress, because it is. But I'm in it head first, feet first. So here we go. Anyway, thanks a lot, and join me.